Good day, Junior Tickies. I'm Mrs. Primacombe. We're going to look now at Chapter 5, Activity 3. Drive Smart Academy Service Business. You are provided with the information from Drive Smart Academy for February 2024. The business is owned by Letabu. He employs Leon Viljoen. So if you think back now, when we started with the chapter posting or completing the cash journals, we've taken all the transactions with this business and we've taken it to the CRJ and the CPJ. And then in the next chapter, in chapter 4, when we've done the general ledger, we took those CRJ and CPJ that we've completed and we posted it to the general ledger. And now we're going to use the same activity where we've done now the general ledger and we're going to post it the next step in the trial balance, and we're going to see have we've done this whole process correctly. And how do we know if we've done it correctly? If the debit side is equal to the credit side, it means we've done it 100% correctly. So this is another way of asking the trial balance. So we start now with the balance sheet account section. So this is actually much easier doing it in this way because all I need to do is I need to take the balances that we've calculated in the general ledger and we're going to take those balances at the end and we're going to write them in the trial balance. Ensure that you keep exactly the same number as the account in the general ledger, and it must appear on the same side. If it doesn't appear on the same side, it means you've made a mistake. So we're going to do it to each one of them. Next, we've got drawings, vehicles, equipment, bank, and cash float. So again, owner's equity, capital, C for credit, drawings, D for debit. Assets appears on the debit side. There were no liabilities, and now we can move on to the nominal account section. In my nominal account section, again, we're going to take all our new totals. So in this case, these were the only totals that appeared there. So the same account number will be used on the same side. It appears in the general ledger. It should appear in the trial balance. We start with fee income on the credit side, interest on current account on the credit side, rent income on the credit side, 10,500. All expenses will appear on the debit side. This is what I've mentioned in the previous activities. If you understand what to do, it is actually so easy to complete it. Telephone and salary. Once we've taken everything from the general ledger, all the end balances and totals, now we can do the next step by taking the debit side, adding everything, taking the credit side, adding all the figures on the credit side, and if those two are the same, it means this whole process, we've done it 100% correct. We've applied the double entry principle from the beginning when we started with the transactions, posting it to the journals, from the journals, posting it to the general ledger, and now from the general ledger, posting it to the trial balance. We've done this process correctly. Thank you very much. I want to leave you with this quote: mistakes are proof that you are trying. Have a wonderful day.